What's going on? What's going on, guys? So today, I'm gonna head to my friend Chris's house. I'm just gonna help him put on a throttle body and start his car, cause he needs a new throttle body and the battery's dead. So I actually got this from my Amazon company that hit me up. It's a battery starter, so it's like a little small power bank. You can use it for like your phone, USB, whatever you want to use it for, and it's a battery starter. So you can start your car, boat, diesel truck, whatever you want. You can start it up to 12 times, I believe, or 15 times, I believe, on a full battery charge. So it should be pretty interesting. It's my first time gonna use it. I've seen these before. I've seen people actually use them before. But I'm gonna use it now in my friend's Chris car. Hopefully it turns on, but his car has been off for like a month, so his battery might just be completely shot. So if it's completely shot, obviously this is not gonna have enough to turn it on. So we might need to actually charge the battery. This is just like if your battery just dies like over a day, then it's good. But you know, if your battery's been dead for like a month, then it might just be completely dead on cells. So we'll figure that out. But yeah, I gotta use this actually on my car too, because you guys haven't seen a lot of footage, I guess, or content of my car. And it's because it's wintertime and there's not that much things to do. My dad's job doesn't have the lift anymore either. So stuff that I want to do, can't really do. Which I don't really need to do anything crazy. I just need to do, put my tires on and weld my exhaust back up. Trying to figure out. Yeah, and I think that's about it. Nothing too much. I ordered something. I ordered some more stuff for my car. Got the Gates timing belt now for my car. So now I think all I'm missing is some cams. So if you guys have some Type R cams, CTR cams, you want to send your boy for the build, let me know, guys. I'm down for that. If not, I'm gonna have to search soon to get some Type R CTRs. I would prefer some CTRs. I'm not trying to get beat over the head over some cams. But if I can, then I'll just probably end up buying some like Skunk 2 tuners. Tuner 1s, I think, or Tuner 2. Tuner 2s, I think, are the same thing as Type R. So we'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, I'm heading to my friend's Chris house right now, which is the kid with the, my friend with the black EK coupe. And he's the one that's actually going to be buying the motor from my Civic, and we're going to put it in his Civic. So the B16 is going to live on in his car. Hopefully he takes care of it. See if we get this shit to start. My boy got a ticket. Oh, you put a fake ticket on it?
Nah, that's a real one. That should have been there for like 3 years though.
Let's see if we get this shit to start. Oh, you put the throttle body. Oh, it's kinda semi.
This is why I need the vice grip so I could take these off. Cause it's not going on.
Oh, that one comes with the.
Cause it's not going on because it hits this.
What the fuck is that?
See?
What is that? That's some Stocko Rocco bullshit.
Guys.
We might just have to just take it off. Alright, let's get the tools. Get the tools. This shit here falls. But these little screws, when they be falling, you never find them. I had a bolt fall off of my fucking. I had a bolt fall off from my thermostat, and I couldn't find that shit. I took my car on, a week later I found it. It shows on the floor. Hopefully this shit's not stuck on there too.
There's another one behind you.
No. I want to make sure it shouldn't have like oh, that should look like it had a gasket. Well, what kind of stock gay shit is this?
I told you.
I smell gas too. You know what's the crazy part though? We probably could just leave that bottom one on. Watch.
Yeah, you probably can.
Because you could just probably put the bottom. Yeah. You could probably just put it on from the bottom first, and then
put the other bolts on. Oh, that's the new one.
Jesus, big ass hole right there. I'm more than positive. If I take this off, then it's like a big hole right there.
It's covered at the bottom.
Yeah, but I'm saying,
in here.
I think it's gonna hold in the manifold. What the fuck is this, bro? Shit. It's not even enough gas to get the car going.
Word.
You can't even move that shit, bro. It comes in its like a little power bank. Comes with the jumper cables. You pop, I think it's this side right here. Yeah, you just pop this side. You put these in. Turn it on. It's on. That's it. Alright. And you just put it on the cable, put it on the battery. Hopefully, this battery has at least some life in it. How long have you been off for? Like a month?
For like a month.
If not, your battery is completely shot, so you just need a new battery. You're about to see. Oh, you heard a beep. That means it's ready to go. Alright, try it. Take the camera with you.
My keys at?
I hear it clicking.
Nah, move the fuck. Yeah. Sometimes it gets loose.
It is loose, but I mean, I'm giving the power. So
that little shit worked. Yo, that little thing is powerful.
it works. Bro's been off for 1 month. Little shit turned it on. Yeah. Shit puts in work. I'm gonna link it down below in the description so you guys can head over to Amazon and get one. These things are the truth. Alright, so out about to keep on. Alright, check if it starts. If not,
Let's see. Started.
we need that cable. Alright, so the throttle body doesn't work because it sticks out too much and it's a stock car, so the canister hits. So what I'm gonna do is put a stock throttle body on. Where his TPS goes is broken. So I'm just gonna jump the TPS and see if you can be able to drive the car like that for the meantime, because like I said, once that motor comes out, it's going into this car. Well, the motor for my Civic is gonna go in this car. So it's gonna get rid of this whole fucking single cam shit. And yeah, it needs a little bit of work here and there. Like right now, one of the antifreeze lines is leaking, but not the one that you really need. Is the one that goes through the throttle body into the fucking the IAC, which everybody deletes. So I'm just gonna put a bolt in and delete it. But I need more. I need more stuff to work with here. I don't have that much things to work with here. So I have the wire. I'm gonna jump. I just need him to cut it for me. And yeah, we should be good to go. Just let me know if it does like the jerking and all that shit.
Shit. You're not doing a burnout?
I just got the car running. I ain't trying to get this shit down again.
So we put the stock throttle body back on. Oh, he didn't even put the e-brake. Wildin'. Mad smoke, look. Working my ass. Whole block smoked up. We thought we fixed it. So, we thought we fixed the issue just now. As you can see, mad smoke. Didn't fix anything. We had to put the stock throttle body back on. The one we bought didn't fit. Kept hitting the canister. So we put the regular one back on, jumped the TPS. There you go right here. Smoking up a storm.
What up, guys? What's going on? A couple days later. Right now I'm actually in my CRV right now. I'm heading to my dad's job right now. I'm actually gonna do the upper control arms on my CRV. I did the low control arms and the inner and outer tie rods, but the CRV is still making like this noise when I go over bumps. So pretty sure it might be. Well, I'm thinking it's the uppers, and I've got a free set of True Heart upper control arms. So I got a free set of True Heart upper control arms that fit for Civic and CRV. So I'm just gonna change them out, and hopefully the noise goes away. If not, I'm gonna have to. And if the noise doesn't go away, then I'm gonna have to check some other parts, maybe inner outer tie rod, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and do an oil change, and yeah, probably just call it a day. Taking off the ball joint, then gonna get these two up here. Alright, got the upper ball joint out. Gotta take off these two up there. Should be good. I was hitting it from here too, and I was hearing some noise, so hopefully swapping these out is good. Alright, so I'm doing this side now. I take out the tray, everything, you guys know, to get to the back upper control arm bolt. The other one's there. And yeah, take this one. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Definitely sounds like this thing is shot, but got these from here from True Heart, so good to go. Alright, got this side out. Fucking bolts were a bitch to take out because of the angle, and has not been changed since fucking 1999. So time to put this bad boy on right here.
I don't know, it gives you information for the starter or whatever. It's like the alternator. I don't know.
I gotta put that one all the way back to like 0. Alright, so I finished my CRV. Still making a noise. I stabilized the bar, so my dad's gonna get a rigger real quick. My brother's cross here, I'm cleaning out his vtec solenoid because it's giving him a cold. So first thing to do is clean it, and then hopefully it gets fixed. Take out the vtec little pin inside. This shit's completely clean. What up, guys? Just wanted to close out the video. I know this video has literally been like all over the place, but I haven't had much to do with the Civic, and it's been raining. Well, it's been snowing, so I didn't want to take the car in the snow and stuff. But I just vlogged whatever happened. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this chill vlog. And yeah, I just got the wheel alignment done today for the CRV, so now it drives good. But I'm probably gonna have to cut out my catalytic converter because now it's starting to make a noise like if the cat inside broken. It's just like the piece of it just jiggling inside. So yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that out. But hey, what is a Honda without Honda problems? But yeah, so we just want to tell you guys, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. Build to enjoy. Peace.